7 divided by 7 gives us 1. 3 divided by 3 gives us 1. And 1 divided by 1 gives us 1. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression you have both multiplication and division present, you must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have multiple division operators present, and according to the rules we must work from left to right. So we must solve this division first. 7 divided by 7 gives us 1. Our expression simplifies to 1 divided by 3 divided by 3. 1 divided by 3 can be written as 1 over 3 divided by 3 from the original expression. Now to simplify this further, we can use KCF rule here: keep, change and flip. Keep means we keep the first fraction 1 over 3 as it is. Change means we change the division operator to multiplication operator, and flip means we flip this 3 over 1 as 1 over 3. And now it becomes much easier to solve. 1 times 1 gives us 1, and 3 times 3 gives us 9, which means 1 over 9 is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers and subscribe to our channel.